Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Tech Savvy Agent. I'm Mariah, a local real estate agent here in the Twin Cities. I'm here to teach you all things tech that can help you in your business. Today, we're learning about Canva's new Magic Studio for video creation. This is handy if you're creating videos for Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, or YouTube Shorts. So let's jump right in. All right, so head on over to canva.com and sign into your account. I am using Canva Pro today, but I do believe that some of these features may be available in Canva Free. I'm unsure. Leave me a comment down below if you have a Canva free account and you have access to Magic Studio. So right underneath the Home tab, you're going to see this new Magic Studio button. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then right away, you're greeted with the Magic Studio video. Will give you a little overview of the new features. Just under that, we have Magic Designs for just everyday. I just posted another video on Magic Designs for presentations. So head on over to my channel and check that out if you're interested in seeing that. And what we're going for today is Magic Designs for Video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Magic Designs for Video. It says, fast forward your video editing. Start by uploading items and videos or both. Select your clips and enter a short description about your video. Magic Design for Video will generate the rest and even perfectly sync a track to it. So let's go ahead and try Magic Studio. This sounds awesome. So let's see, it's pulling up here. It looks like it's going to do a vertical post for Instagram Reels or Stories or TikTok. Magic Design Beta. Select at least 3 files to add to your video. So that's fun. I'm making a face in that video. All right, okay, now I found some videos that I uploaded in the past. So I'm going to go ahead and use this drone video. I'm also a drone pilot here in the Twin Cities. So this drone video will come in handy. I chose a couple of photos and then this 24-second video clip. And it's saying, describe the kind of video you want. We'll use this to generate a design. So let's say I want to do an introduction, me as a real estate agent here in the Twin Cities. Short and sweet. Let's click generate and see what happens. Hi, Murphy. You're in the way. This is Murphy. Say hi, Murphy. All right. It is starting to generate the video. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Abraham Lincoln. Oh, we can see it's thinking. It's taking its time. I'm just going to move my little bubble and see what we got going on underneath here. Interesting. I wonder if I could just close this. Is it done? Is done, I think, or maybe it was still thinking. Okay, so it took a few minutes there to generate the reel. It looks like there's about 4 clips that are about 3.8 to 2.4 seconds long at the bottom. I'm going to press play. I went ahead and put my headphones on because it did add some audio, and I'm not sure if you can hear it or not. Let me know in the comments if you can hear the song when I press play here. Hi, I'm Mariah Lewinsky, real estate agent in Twin Cities. I'm here to help you find your dream home in this beautiful city. So let's get started. I don't want to use this broker logo. I would rather use a different one. Under my brand voice, I have more logos under my brand. I have more logos available, but I know I want to use one of the ones at the bottom of the list. It doesn't say brokered by. So we're going to go ahead and use this one. I'm going to resize it to fit in the middle. And then I want to press play and the background color of the text here. Okay, so what I'm curious is, can I change the text background color? And right over here under effects, I can see that it is using red. And what I think I'd like to do is either switch that to blue or maybe black. I'm thinking, let's add more pages to this. You can subtract if you want. So when you're done editing your video and you're ready to share it, all you have to do is in the top right corner, go ahead and click share. And then we're going to click download. We want to download as an MP4 video, all 4 pages. And you can see right underneath the download button, there's this interesting connect your social accounts. If you're posting this to YouTube and you're worried about the music being royalty-free and getting a copyright check, Canva is saying that you should connect your YouTube account or the Gmail associated with your YouTube account to Canva directly. Therefore, you won't be subject to getting a copyright infringement check on your YouTube channel. And all you have to do is go ahead and click download. It's going to take a few minutes to generate. And it's going to ask you where you want to download that to onto your computer. You can see here that the whole video in the top right corner is 13.6 seconds, but if you wanted it to be shorter or longer, all you have to do is come down here and click on each one that you wanted to adjust. You'll see the arrow pop up and then you can click and drag it, or right above you can click on the 3.8 seconds to edit the timing, and it will give you a little toggle there. If you wanted each one to be 5 seconds long, I can select all 4 of them to be 5 seconds. And then you can see in the top right that it's a total of 20 seconds. All right, that's going to end my quick tutorial for Canva's Magic Design for Video. If you like this and you want to see more, please click the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below of what you'd like to learn. Or if you have any ideas for the next video, please let me know. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.